For making every client at ease and servicing them locally, Zhejiang Rihting has set branch offices in Shanghai, Zhongshan, Dongguan, and Wuhan. Over the past 20 years, for expanding the markets and providing customers better services, Rihting has established many branch offices in Thailand, Japan, India, Indonesia, and Mexico. Rihting's engineers will provide maintenance technology guidance within 2 hours as long as they receive service inquiry telephones. If the problem can't be solved by remote guidance, technicists will arrive at the client company within 48 hours, no matter how far the place is. By means of excellent coating produce lines and perfect after-sales services, Zhejiang Rihting not only exports its technologies and productions to Japan, Thailand, the Philippines, Indonesia, Malaysia, Cambodia, Pakistan, India, the Czech Republic, Mexico, America, Canada, Scotland, and Brazil. It also wins the trust and good reputation of Fortune Top.